a short story about Rani Lakshmi Bai. I, Rani Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi. I born on 19 November 1828 in Varanasi. My father was Purupal Tambe and my mother was Bhagirathi Tambe. I was popularly known as Manu when I was a young girl. My father encouraged me to learn to ride elephants, horses and to use weapons. I grew up with Nana Sahib, the son of Peshwa Baji Rao. I was married to the ruler of Jhansi, Raja Gangadhar Rao in 1842. I adopted Damodar Rao as my son. When Raja Gangadhar Rao was died, I was just 18 years old. Then I acted courageously and looked up my responsibility. The British did not accept Damodar Rao as the legal heir and wanted to take Jhansi, but I refused to give up Jhansi. Nana Sahib, Tatya Tope and many others joined me to fight the British. I fought the first war of independence against the British in 1852-1857. I proved my courage and fought them bravely, but I could not withstand the big British army for long run. I marched on 18 June 1858. I died physically, but always remember